What's going on, guys? So like I said in my last video, we're gonna do something very exciting. We're gonna do what's inside brown wrap. Now, these are not easy to come by, but a buddy of mine has his license. He's actually here right now. He wanted to bring it over and take a peek inside. So if you ever heard these things before, they are stupid loud. And little flare mix on top is actually really powerful as well. Sometimes when you light these things, the flare comes out so hard it knocks it on its side. So everything about it, the quality, and again, this is like professional stuff here. I mean, look at that. Look how thick that little tube is. There's the mix. Let's get right into it, man. I am stoked to see what is inside this. This is one of those that you actually feel. We lit a couple of these and my kids were like, "Holy crap, Daddy, I feel that." Yeah, it's definitely one of those where you're like, holy crap. It's definitely like one of those that you just feel the bass, a nice deep sound. Wow. And this, holy crap, this tube that it's in, I mean, already I'm struggling to get in, but you could see the layers in it. I mean, this is definitely a lot better quality than the other stuff. Now, I fully expect to be just like every other cracker, you know, made the same way. That's pretty thick, and we're still probably most of the way through it, but I want to be really careful because I want to get an accurate. Yeah, there's that. It's a big plug. I'm curious. I don't even know. I'm always wrong on my guesses, and I've been doing this for fun for years. I'm gonna say 2. I am gonna say 2. Let's see if I'm right. My God. Slowly getting there. Again, I'm going to take my time because this is like a treat. See a little bit coming out right there. All right, let's get this zeroed. Just in case you start leaking, boys. I want to capture that. Oh, there we go. You can see, hope you can see that. Big old plug. All right, focus here, focus. Not the camera, me. For a sec. Don't want to get that clay plug in there. All right. All right, so this is even a little bit more in here, but as well as it's packaged, it still kind of leaked a little bit, but that's mostly, yeah, that's mostly plug in there. Okay. All right, so I said about 2, and the reason I said that is because if you ever lit one of these, you know it's a banger for sure. And you know, everybody likes to use, you know, M80. You know, the old school M80s were somewhere between 3.5 grams. I never opened an old one, but I've lit a few from the early 60s that my dad had, and they were loud. And I'm gonna say if you lit one of these small wraps, now they come in two sizes. This is what they call the small colorful flowers, and then there's a large colorful flowers. I'm going to say that this is equivalent, even though we're coming right at, hold on, let me shut up for a second. All right, I'm coming in at 2.2, 2.3, seems to settle on 2.2. All right, so we're going to call it a 2.2. I'm just going to say that this is equivalent to, like, you know, an old school M80. How they get this to sound like that, like the old M80, I mean, clearly the old M80s came with paper tubes, so it takes a lot away from the sound. The tubes weren't nearly as thick as you know, these tubes, and these plugs and the compression and everything in there, you know, makes a big difference. So really excited. I hope you guys enjoy this. And again, let me know if you want me to keep doing this stuff. I'm having fun. See, 2.3. All right, 2.2 it is. So we're going to settle it at 2.2 for sure. If you like me to continue doing this stuff, let me know. If you have any ideas, drop them in the comments. You want me to do anything? If I have it, I'll do it. If not, you can contact me and we'll make it happen. Till next time, guys.